In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ASUS laptop stuck on loading screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase various different options if you notice that your ASUS laptop gets stuck on the loading screen when you power it on. So there's various reasons on why this happens, and I'm gonna go over plenty of steps to fix this. First of all, try basic fixes to start. So the most basic one is to press and hold the power button for more than you usually hold. This will perform a forced restart. So to start, press and hold the restart button for around 5 to 10 seconds. Once you try restarting it through this way, see if you boot into Windows normally after. If it doesn't boot into Windows, even after you hold this button down for more than 10 seconds, then the next thing that you can try to do is to remove any external devices. So if you have peripherals connected, like USB external drives, maybe a mouse, anything else, make sure that you unplug them accordingly. As long as you unplug everything when you are booting, you are going to ensure that these peripherals aren't the cause of the problem. Once again, you can try to hold it down the power button for 5 to 10 seconds and see if this works. If it still does not work, then I recommend moving on to more advanced fixes. Now, what you can do here is completely restart it again and then hold F9. When you are pressing F9 as the laptop is booting up, you will be able to load into this menu where you can troubleshoot problems. So just go into the troubleshoot option, reset your PC or see advanced options, and in here, if you don't want to mess around too much, just go into the startup repair. This will automatically try to find problems and fix them for you. And once a problem is detected and dealt with, it is going to load into Windows normally. Alternatively, you can use some of these more advanced options here, although I wouldn't recommend them. Only do them if you know what you are doing. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. You can try going into the startup settings and then load into safe mode. This is going to load into Windows with the bare minimum and only the essential things. This way, you will be able to uninstall any programs that might be actually giving you trouble. So if you believe that you have a malicious program on your computer, it could be blocking you from getting past the loading screen. So load into safe mode and delete those programs. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS laptop stuck on loading screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.